Okay, now that we have our various scenes set up, there are a few things we can do before we send them to layout and start setting up our drawings. The first thing I want to talk about is simply what is visible and what is not. Because we have a well-organized model, we can easily turn on and off anything that we don't want to see in the drawing, such as joinery or floor finishes, for example, by either turning off the layers in the layer dialog box or by hiding groups over here in the outliner. Let's have a look at the ground floor plan, for example. Now here we can see there's these quite large blocks of solid on the plans. These are actually elements of joinery on the drawings that are showing up as thick sections. So we don't really want to see that. So if we turn off joinery in the layers dialog, you can see it looks much neater. Okay, let's update the scene to save those changes. Still not quite finished just yet. You'll also notice that these doors don't look like doors in normal drawings. They are solid doors and they're closed. And also the staircase is not quite right. And that leads on to what I want to talk about next. And that's about drawing 2D information into SketchUp.